today we're going to learn about treasure hunt. Challenge. Decompose a pattern and create your own functions. In this last challenge, start by finding small patterns or commands and create a function that calls them. Use that function to start solving parts of puzzles. The example is function move then toggle, which you move forward, toggle switch, and that's it. As you find more complex parts of the puzzle, define new functions that reuse what is in your first function. Then both functions solved in the puzzle. So we would have to do a function first, and we're going to do the example because that's going to be useful. So the example is going to help us on the first one, but the other functions we have to do ourselves. Now we're going to do the body name, which is the same as the other top one. Now we're going to do another function. We're going to say this move backwards. One reason is because we have to make byte move go backwards and go back to where it started, so it could go to the other side. So we have to do move backwards. Now we're going to do this body by turning left 2 times, which makes it go backwards and then move forward 2 times. Next function is called move forward 2 times because we will have to move it 2 times. So move forward. I'm going to say an X, which is times if you know math, and 2. Then the body function will be doing 2 move forwards because we're just moving forward 2 times, and I said just move it 2 times, so we will have to move 2 times. Now we're going to go on the actual function, which is we're going to do move then toggle first because we have to move 2 times to get the first toggle switch. Then we have to move backwards. Then we'll do another same thing, move then toggle and then move backwards. After this, we have to just turn the other way. You could turn left or right. I'm going to go with right. Then you would move then toggle and then move then toggle. Then move backwards first, or else you're going to be stuck there with move forward twice. So move forward twice. And then after this, we will be back at where we started, except pointing the other direction where the other levitated area is. Then we will obviously have to do the same thing we did with the other one. So we have to do 2 then move toggles. And then after that, we'll move backwards and then we'll move forward 2 times. Now I'm going to run faster and see if the code gets right. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and also leave a like. Bye!